Back to the Elanix AI YouTube channel, where we help you save time, money, and avoid the headache with the help of our AI systems and tools. So in today's video, I'll be taking you through a live client delivery. We'll be installing a chat widget, a chat agent onto their website to interact with customers, guide them on products, do all of those interactions on their behalf, so the owner doesn't have to stress about that. And I want to quickly demo to you. As you can see right now, we're on the Elanix AI homepage website, which is up right now. The link is in the description. This is where you can book a free AI audit with us, or a 15-minute call. We can look at your business, see where we can help you. You can also go straight to purchasing pre-built systems to help your business. But let's get to the chase over here. As you can see, as you scroll the website, there's this little icon that most websites have these days. And when you click on it, you have a little chat agent, and you can ask it all sorts of questions, and it will reply to you very quickly and help you with whatever you need to do. This is extremely valuable because it's going to help you nurture leads that come to your website, and it's also going to help you convert people that maybe need some help. I can't tell you how many people complain about customer service these days, and when responses are slow, that's when sales take a negative turn. That's just a fact. So there we go. She tells us exactly what we do here at Elanix AI, and she gives us all the answers we need. So I'm going to take you through how I'm going to install this for a client we're working with right now, and hopefully give you some insight on how to do something like this for yourself. So the first thing you have to go to is Agentive. I've made a previous video on Agentive. It's a beautiful platform. Main reason being we can deploy and ship these agents extremely fast to a multiple number of platforms: WhatsApp, Telegram, your website, Messenger. And we're going to choose the website route, which means we'll embed custom code, but you don't need to worry, there's no coding in this one. So as you can see, this is the robot that we've built for the customer, and over here is the prompt. Okay, this thing is blocking it right now, but I've already tested it out. Works really well, gives a nice summary of what they do, how our customer can benefit. And the prompt is the backbone of your agent. It's the brain. It's telling the agent or the AI what to do. And to assist you with this for completely free, in the link in the description, you can come over here to the Gumroad for Elanix AI, and you can pick up a free copy of the chat agent prompt, right? And to show you what this looks like, it's a pretty little document, right? But it just breaks down what you need to copy paste into the prompt section to have a outcome of this type of agent. And it's really important because there's things you need to remember. So limitations, right, and tone. So these things are going to make sure that the bot's performance is consistent and up to standard. You just need to paste in your business name, your description of your business, things like that, and it's going to be tailored to whatever company or industry you're in. So once you put in the prompt over there, you'll go to the knowledge base. Let's just get rid of this thing. So your knowledge base is a PDF file, maybe even a PowerPoint or Word document that contains everything the agent needs to know about the business. It doesn't have to be necessarily structured. It can just be what you do, what your customers need to know, your refund policy, your shipping policy, all that important info. Put it into a PDF and upload it as knowledge base. You're good to go. This type of agent doesn't need any tools. I might make a future video on tools. It's a bit more advanced, but it's going to allow our agent to use different sorts of platforms and do some more advanced things. So we have our prompt, our knowledge base, right? And we've tested it out here. Just go back. We've tested it out, we're happy with it, and we're ready to put it onto the customer's website. And that's the important part I'm going to be showing you now. So you're going to go up here to deploy. And remember, every tool I use, everything I'm showing you, the link will be in the description. So you can get it and follow along with me. We're going to go to website, and first we customize the widget. I've already done this, but it's really cool because it adds a bit of flavor to your agent. And you can change the colors, the logos, and then you can preview it before you make it final. And this is what it's going to look like on the customer's website, and you can interact with it and everything, check the functionality. And once you're happy with that, right, let's just click update. Okay, and then when we click on the deploy button, it's going to give us some code. All you do is you just scroll here to the bottom and click on the clipboard. Okay, and this is now your custom code that you can embed into your website, and you'll have that widget. So my hosting, I work with Hostinger. I think they're one of the best providers out there. There's a link in the description for a 20% discount. I think it's 20%, I'm not too sure, but here's the website in Hostinger, and this is the client site. So to import this, which is very important, we go to integrations, custom code. Here we're just going to paste that code in. Hostinger makes it easy. I'm not sure about the other ones. And then we can click update website, and just like that, okay, 6 minutes of this video, we have done something that would have taken like 3 months to do, a couple of years ago. We've done it in a minute. So let's view the website and see if we're happy with it. And there it is right there. Okay, I just want to double check something. You can actually remove this little sticker over here. Alright, so if you go to customize, and I do that, and I update, and I go back here to the website and I refresh it. There's a reason I'm showing you this. It updates, it removes that logo. And the bigger picture of that is that the updates we make to our agent happen in real time. There's no need to pause the website or take it down. You can fix it from wherever you are, and from that very second, those updates will continually run. Very cool. So now the customer has this chat agent that's going to assist them. It's going to help them. It's going to make things easier. And like I said before about Agentive, there's WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, voice flow. That's for voice agents. So if people phone the business, this chat agent will be able to respond. Telegram and Discord. This is going to really transform your business. It's going to help you get ahead, stay ahead, and not get left behind. I know a lot of business owners don't want to get left behind by this AI trend. And how you start is by doing simple things like your chat agent, right? I want to take you here to the Elanix site just to show you and explain to you a little bit better. You start with these small little systems, right? So even your website right now, as you can see with this customer, they never had a website before this. They reached out to us and they needed one. So we deployed our AI agent, Valora, and she built a website for them. We just had to tweak it and adjust it, made things easier. Here's the chat agent that they have now, an email assistant, a WhatsApp chat agent, Messenger chat agent. We'll be adding more systems, but in all, this is really your doorway to getting into the AI space and benefiting from it, and not letting it intimidate you or leave you behind. Now, if this was interesting, I hope it was helpful. Links will be in the description. You can get that prompt completely for free. You just get it from Gumroad, copy, paste it into Agentive, edit it, and you have your own chat agent. If you need any help, put it in the comments. Like I say, like, subscribe, and if you do need some help, don't be afraid to go onto Elanix AI, book a call. I'm sure we can help you transform your business, help you save time, money, and avoid the headache. That's it. I'm out, boys.